How I crashed my Mavic. So everyone's wondering, they're asking, how did you crash your Mavic? Well, I was in Lisbon shooting this beautiful scenic shot, trying to bring in my Mavic to land, and I was running low on battery because I was fighting wind the entire time. I'm over there in the park, and the Mavic is forcing itself to land. It's not in a safe place. I'm over the street. I was near some people, and I got a little disoriented, and then boom, I'm right in front of this bus stop. There's this couple here, and they are fearless. Look at them. There's a little kid down below who has his hands over his ears. He's afraid, and I'm trying to move it forward to land, and then I hit the window, and I go all the way back and hit this pole and damage my poor little Mavic. 2 front propellers damage, front motor arm damage, and the gimbal camel, it was all damaged. So cost me quite a penny to get this fixed, $395. But you know what? This entire experience was priceless. I learned so much. Some lessons were: don't fly at night, keep your head up, period.